Hello, my name is Vivian. I am one of the team members of TalkiPal. Today I'm going to just walk you through like an easy guide on how to use one of our plushes, actually the smart speaker. Turn the device on. You'll see a button right here. Just like flip it. It says powered on. Click on the TalkiPal app. It says to connect through the mobile app. And then you can click start the magic. And today that's to Luna, which is the cat. We could do the kid's nickname here. I'm gonna do a boy's name. We're gonna call it Liam. Here you can tell the app more about what Liam likes. So I'm gonna just choose a few like Play-Doh. He likes to go hiking, visit zoos. Okay, and then just hit continue. In this part that it asks, how would you like TalkiPal to support Liam's growth? These are certain things that if Liam has trouble with or is refusing to do, for instance, like is really picky with food or don't really like to go to bed. And it goes to, let's connect your magical friend to the internet. So I'm just gonna hit start pairing and you'll see it. You'll see your device shown as the first one, or if you have multiple, it will show up. And just click on it and I'm just gonna hit connect. It says connected successfully. That's it. Just complete setup.
Hello, Liam. I'm Luna. I love listening and playing. What do you like to do today?
So it will just start straight with the greeting. And I'm gonna walk you guys through what is on the app. You go to the main page and you will see how much battery life is in this, if it's connected to Wi-Fi, the name of your stuffed animal, which is Luna right now currently on the page. For the next row, it says focus companion mode, which basically once you turn it on, you can't really tell Luna to stop talking because it's on focus mode. So we're gonna switch it off for now. So just in case later on when we are going into like storytelling and stuff and I'm tired of listening to the story, we could just use the wake up word to stop it, which is, hey Luna.
Hello, Liam. How are you today? I love your smile. What should we do now?
So it's asking me a question and I'm gonna try to reply to it. Can I play Play-Doh with you?
Yes. Let's make a wiggly snake with Play-Doh. What color will it be?
So yeah, it's just like replying to my question. And now let's focus on explaining all the other features that are in this app. Going into the AI Learning Companion, here you can set today's focus. For instance, like today, you want the kid to, I don't know, practice more about the ABCs or mathematic problems. Also, you could spark Liam's, which is the kid's curiosity through like some questions. This part that it's actually one of my favorite because it gives you all the possibilities, right? Like as a parent, maybe you wanted your kid to, I don't know, focus on one thing today, whereas just like randomly chatting with this toy. And this is like a great place to do it. So I'm just gonna go with the creating story feature together for now. And we're just gonna hit get started. And we're gonna wake this smart speaker up. Well, actually Luna. So we're gonna do, hey Luna.
Hi, I am here.
Okay, so Luna's back. I would like to talk a story about a dog.
Yay! Let's make a story together. Liam, what should our story be about? A dog story. What color is your dog? Does it wag its tail? Let's make a happy dog adventure.
Okay, so today's focus will just be on creating stories together. Let's continue with the features first before we start talking with Luna. So you will go to like the lower menu bar and you will see chat. You just click on chat and then it will just be like whatever your kid and Luna talked about today. Now let's go back to home and then you'll see the weekly report right here. This is where our AI kicks into. Like it could tell if your kid's having a, you know, like a bad day, a happy day or exciting day, which you will see right here. But also you could see the conversation duration right here and other observations. And then we are gonna go to the lower menu bar again and we're gonna go to discover. This part is one of my favorites. So look at it as just like a speaker that's connected to your phone and you can read audiobooks, play music. For instance, it's your kid's birthday. Let's play the happy birthday song.
Let's play music. Happy birthday one.
Happy birthday to you.
And there's just stop automatically. You could also play stories because we don't normally do it on the app. We do it by like voice commands. So this is the part when I talked about in the home page, we have the focus companion mode. If you turn it off, you can stop her from talking at any time. So let's go to discover, click one of the stories. Let's do the cat in the hat.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little house near the edge of a green forest, lived a clever cat.
Let's turn the volume
named
down.
Cat.
And let's say I want to stop him and just start talking and he'll start listening to me. So yeah, it's just as easy as that. Like basically you just start talking and it will stop the speaker from talking about or reading the story. Okay, now go back to discover. We could go to games. There's a bunch of games that we could do here. But these are just like interactive things. So basically you could do a spelling race with your kid. Yeah, if you hit get started, Luna will just start this whole conversation.
Wow, I love games. What should we guess first? I have a shiny red ball. Can you guess? What do you think? I have something blue and round. What could it be?
And then the kid would probably start thinking about what's blue and round. A ball?
Yeah, blue and round. Ooh, a big balloon. What do you think? Let's bounce it. me to guess. What do you think?
So it's my turn. I am seeing something black and rectangular.
A book. You're so smart. Let's read it together. Can you say book?
Book.
Book. Let's read a story now. What kind of story?
Okay, so that's about, how it works. Basically, you can do games on the app with the smart speaker. And then I would like to talk more about mine, which is just the basic settings. You have your username, your devices that you could actually go in and delete or unlink your device. So you could just do unbind device in the bottom and you can delete it right afterwards. It's in the same location. And also you can go and adjust your kid's profile. For instance, here we have Liam. We could change his basic information, just basically everything you set up early on, you could change it later on. And I think that would be it about how our app works and how you can interact with Luna on the smart speaker.